Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring everything precisely. Use 300 g dried pasta, 2 egg yolks, 50 g grated Parmesan, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 minced garlic clove, 1 tsp salt, and 1/4 tsp black pepper. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil and cook pasta for 8 to 10 minutes until al dente. While the pasta cooks, separate 120 ml hot pasta water and set aside. Whisk the 2 egg yolks with the grated Parmesan and a pinch of pepper in a wide, shallow bowl. Warm 1 tablespoon olive oil and the minced garlic in a skillet over medium heat for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Do not brown the garlic. Drain the pasta, reserving 120 ml of the hot pasta water. Add the pasta to the skillet and toss briefly. Turn off the heat and immediately pour the egg yolk and 50 g Parmesan mixture over the pasta. Toss vigorously for 20 to 30 seconds while adding reserved pasta water a little at a time until the sauce becomes glossy and clings to each strand. Taste and adjust seasoning. Add more salt or 1/4 tsp black pepper if desired, but balance carefully. If the sauce is too thick, add reserved pasta water 1 tablespoon at a time until you reach a silky, creamy texture. Plate immediately and garnish each portion with an extra 10 g grated Parmesan and a fresh grind of black pepper. Leftovers should be cooled quickly and refrigerated within 2 hours. Reheat gently over low heat with a splash of water to avoid scrambling the egg yolk. Enjoy hot for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.